Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to duplicate a Squarespace website. This can be useful if we want to create a backup, build a new version of our site, or reuse an existing design. Let's get started. On the Squarespace dashboard, here is our website, and we want to duplicate it. All we need to do is click on our mini profile logo. When we click that, we will see all of our websites listed. To duplicate this website, simply click on the three dots next to it. Then select Duplicate Website. Here, we just need to confirm that we want to duplicate the website. As we can see, it is now duplicating the website. We now have a duplicate of our website. Both the copy and the original are right here. That is how we duplicate a Squarespace website. With this simple method, we can quickly create a copy of our site and edit it freely without affecting the original.